Hi guys, it's Keith with Harkenberg Farms. I just want to show you the stand-up dibbler I made. Alright, there ain't much to it here. I bought some spare replacement dibbler for the Two Bad Catz rolling dibbler, and I attached those onto a 1x2. I had to get some longer screws than what they provided to be able to go through the thicker wood, but that wasn't a problem. I had some laying around. And then I attached 3/4 by 3/4 inch sticks, about 4 foot long, run up both sides. The only reason I chose those, because that's what I had laying around. So I spaced the dibblers out on 6 inches, just like my fabric. So on 6 inches. So I can do 4 at a time. Let me show you. Line it up in your fabric. Step down. Give it a shake back and forth. Away it goes. Perfectly dibbled holes. Alright, here we go. Place it over the holes, step down, make sure it's good and level and flat, 2 rocks, comes right up. Same thing and repeat. One thing I will caution, it starts to build up debris at the bottom, so every so often you have to knock it off. But that's not a big deal. Anytime you can save time bending over and save your back is a good time. Hope you all found this useful and can get something out of it and save your back a little. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.